Okay guys, today I'm going to explain you about differentiation. Okay, in short speed, we just have one formula, which is I equal to P or T. I is for interest. P is for principal. R is for rate. Like T is for time. Okay, here is an example one for simple interest. So, like the question is, find the simple interest of 1,000 at 5 rate per annum for 3 years. So, the first step, we must write the formula. I equal to PRT. So, P is 1,000 because T is for present value is the amount borrowed or invest. So P is RM 1,000. So R is rate. Rate, as you can see, they give 5%. So the R is 5%. T is time. Time that here is 3 years. So we put here 3. So just put in the formula. I equals to 1,000 times 5% times 3. Here 5% equals to 5 divided by 100. So equals to 0.05. So we put here 1,000 times 0.05 times 3. So just put in the calculator. Calculator. Times 0.05 times 3. We get RM 150. So I is 150. So that's all for example 1.
Okay, today I want to explain to you about compound interest. So first of all, compound interest is calculated based on the principal which is charged every year because based from the latest methods. The interest due is added to the principal at the end of each interest period and thereafter earned interest. The principal increases from time to time. So that is a formula for compound interest. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to explain about compound interest. There is future value, accumulated value, and sum, which is S. Compound interest stands for I. I equal to S minus P. What is S stand for? S stand for future value, P stand for present value, big I stand for compound interest, then the small I stand for periodic interest rate. Last but not least, N stands for the number of interest periodic in the investment period. Here are some important terms. First of all, we have original principal, which is P, in common RM, the original amount invested. Then we have annual nominal rate, which is K, in common percent. The interest rate for a year together with the frequency in which the interest calculated in a year. Then we have frequency of conversion, which is M, the number of times the interest calculated in a year. So here's an example you can do. Then we have interest period, which is T. in comma 4 years. The length of time in which interest is calculated. Now that we also have relative interest rate, which is I, in comma percent. The interest rate in each interest period. Last but not least, we have the number of interest period in the investment period, in comma n. The number of time interest is calculated. Okay, now we are going to example 1. The question is, given interest earn 10,000 for 5 years at 10% compound. Similarly, we have two questions, which is A and B. We answer A first. The future value at the end of 5 years. This is the answer for A. Let's we go to next question. It is B. That is all for this equation. This is the answer.
Okay, do you have understand what I have explained just now?
No sir, I not really understand what you explained just now.
So, this is the question that might happen. So, this is the questions. So, let's look at the questions. So, it says, you start a deposit earn 6,000 in the bank and obtain 120 simple interest after 6 months. Find the simple interest rate offered. So, it's already gives P. When the safe deposit, 6,000. So, this is P. And in the bank and obtain 120. Is when it says obtain 120 is I, and simple interest after 6 months. 6 months is T. So look at the formula. I equals to PRT. I is 120 equals to P 6,000 times R. R doesn't give, so I know R times T. T is 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus. So first look at this. T we must in form of years. So this is minus. We cannot put it in T. So we must transform it in the form of years. So 6 minus like you know 1 year is 20 months. So it's 6 over 20. So we're gonna get 3 and 6. So we put it here. This will be 126,000 times R times 3 over 6. So do it first. calculate this. 6,000 times R times 3 over 6. What do you get? It's time. Right, plus
300.
300.
Eh, 3,000.
3,000. Right. Okay. So we must put R as a debt. So we must move the 3,000 here. So it will be 1 over 3,000 is to R. So what? 120 over 3,000?
1 over 25.
Make it in the form of decimal.
0.04.
R equal to 0.04. So this is separate. If I put in the form of percent, so we must 0.04 times 100. So it will be 4. Yeah. So the answer is 4. So the rate is 4. This answer. Do you understand?
Okay, now I understand. So, thank you.
Okay, do you understand what I just explained to you?
No, sir. I not really understand what you just explained to me.
Okay, first of all, we must label the most important thing in this question, which is P. Then you also must label the area. You also must label the months memory, which is 2 months. Then we will last one on this, we must label the years, 2 years. It will be more easy for us to answer the question with 3 months. Okay, first of all, we must change the number to this number.
Zero point
0.101. Is this correct? Okay, first question. Find the future value. Okay, let's do it. Okay, write the formula first so that you don't be careless. P. 1 Okay, count this one.
Second 6.
Alright.
Second 6.
Okay, this is the answer to number 1. Okay. Let's move on to the second question. Okay, this is the second question. The second question is very easy. The second question is the amount of total current, which is I equal to S minus P, which is 5, 4, 6, minus 1200. Okay, count for me.
1, 5, 2, 4.
1, 5, 2, 4,
1, 7, 6.
1, 7, 6. Okay, this is the answer. Do you understand now what I just explained to you?
Okay, sir. Now I understand. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, that's all from me. I hope I can help you in the future. Let's go.